Hey guys, Mama Vindy here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the new spring subscription box for 2019. And as you can see, this is so flippin' cute. Look at the cute little hat flip back over here. It is just so cute and I have not opened it yet. I'm super excited to see what's inside. So let's get started. And I'm going to kind of, as you know, they usually have like a little card in there. I'm going to kind of slip that out so I don't see what is in there before we open it up. All right, let's see here. Oh, that's cute. It's like one of those little fanny pack kind of bags. Oh, I think my daughter will love this one. So you have that. What else do they have? There's the little doll. He's wearing like a little hoodie. And then we have, what's this? A magnetic key holder. Huh. Hang this on your wall and let the magnets keep your keys or other items in place at the bottom of the holder. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. That one. Okay, and then we have the Pusheen wooden rock calendar. Oh, that's cute. Put that on your little desk. Again, all of these are Pusheen Box exclusive, so you're only going to get it in your subscription box. So that is super cute. And then here's your vinyl figure. Oh, he's on skates. Look at how cute that is. He's wearing the little hat, the little baseball cap, and the little skates. Cute. Aww. Roller skating Pusheen. That's cute. And then, oh my goodness. There is. Oh my lord, this is cute. Pusheen jump rope. And this is so cute. She's gonna love this thing. So then we have, we have some little cruise socks. Little Pusheen on it. And then we have, what is this? A yoga towel mat? That's interesting. What is it? 72 by 24 inches. I have to open that one up. And then we have, what is this? Oh my, what is this? Oh my gosh. It's like a little windbreaker jacket. Oh my gosh, I am totally sporting this thing. This is so cute. Look. What is this? This is a windbreaker jacket. Oh my gosh. And I love the color. He's wearing little sunglasses. Oh my gosh. And it has pockets. Oh my gosh. That's my favorite thing. That is my favorite thing in here for sure. Oh wow, I love it. Look. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh, I love this. Oh, my little daughter is going to be so jealous. Look at that, it's so cute. Okay, so the little card here. I have the offer just like the little, oh lordy. Okay, so you've got your Pusheen jump rope. Okay, you've got your microfiber towel. Okay, it's absorbent, quick drying, perfect for your next yoga or fitness class. And then you've got your water resistant jacket on when you need an extra layer on a rainy day. You've got your sporty crew socks. You've got your little this versatile bag. It can be worn around your waist or over the shoulder. You have your magnetic key holder. You have your wooden calendar, and also this super cute Pusheen plush wearing a matching jacket. Now I think that is so cute. Spring 2019. I think by far the cutest thing is absolutely the jacket. I love how it's like, geared for exercise, I guess you could say. Outdoors. But this one, favorite. Absolute favorite. They should put more stuff like this in there. They really should. I mean, things people can use. Totally utilize this. That isn't too crazy with the pattern. I mean, that, dude, that is so cute. I'm totally gonna wear that. I'm gonna open up this little yoga towel so we can get there. Look at that real quick. Okay, so here is the yoga towel mat. This is so cute. This is so super cute. I mean, look at this. You've got the Pusheen with the glasses, the headphones, the little badminton. I mean, you've got the little sleeping Pusheen, the skateboard Pusheen. I mean, this is so cute. The colors are gorgeous. I love it. Love the colors. And it just all looks so good together. I love it. I mean, the socks are a little bit off color. I wish they were a little more this color, but still super cute. The little plush Pusheen matches perfectly with the little, what is that, like a rain jacket or a wind jacket? It's just a little water resistant jacket. I think it's more like a windbreaker, but it says it's water resistant, so that's cute. Kind of like awesome. And then again, you have your like magnetic key holder, your wooden calendar. You've got your little vinyl Pusheen with the skates, and you've got your little bag pouch there, and your jump rope. I mean, that's so cute. It's so cute. Anyways, I hope you guys like the video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.